Cinnamon tea is one of the easiest way to assess these health benefits and is also very simple to prepare. Simply take a cinnamon stick and boil it in water for 15 to 20 minutes. After this, allow the cinnamon stick to steep in the water for another 10 minutes and then drink the sweet and spicy beverage. Aid digestion. As a digestive aid, few things are superior to a cinnamon tea, as students have shown a clear improvement in gastrointestinal health in subjects who clearly consume cinnamon supplements. Cinnamon has a stimulating effect on gastric juices and stomach acids. Inflammation of the bowels caused by IBS and other conditions can also be avoided by regular intake of cinnamon tea. Research has found that the cinnamon is not only important for the body but also the mind, particularly in older generation. Cinnamon is known to improve cognitive speed, boost concentration and focus, and even stimulate the growth of new neural pathways, making it an important herbal strategy for treatment of Alzheimer's and other degenerative neural conditions. Reduce inflammation. Throughout the body, inflammation can take on many forms, from itchiness and irritation on the skin or in the throat, lungs, to aches and pains throughout your joints and muscles. Internally, inflammation is a common symptom of various conditions, and it can make life a lot less pleasant. Cinnamon tea has been shown to reduce inflammation and pain in many cases, making it a soothing and relaxing remedy for a wide variety of conditions. Manage menstruation system. Women who suffer from severe menstruation symptoms are often desperate for a reliable remedy that doesn't impact their hormonal levels. Cinnamon contains a number of analgesic and anticoagulanting effects, meaning that it can reduce the pain and cramping of your menstruation, while also reducing the severity of the period if you tend to have a heavier flow. Prevent chronic disease. Cinnamon has high concentration of powerful antioxidants, including the active ingredient cinnamaldehyde, as well as catechins, iodines, and other important compounds. These antioxidants are ideal for neutralizing free radicals, the danger byproduct of cellular metabolism, and preventing the oxidative stress throughout the body.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.